JD Cap here, 26 for just do the tips and repairs. And you know how you get dried paint on the side of your airbrush? You can use an X-Acto knife, a sharp one, and just like scrape it off very gently, and it will come off the airbrush. On the inside, I recommend using Windex and distilled water, and clean the innards with that and spray it out into a container. Don't use acetone or any um, lacquer thinner unless you use that particular airbrush for lacquer thinner. Um, just be aware that acetone or thinner over time will kill your seals in your airbrush. So please be aware of that. But with regular acrylic paint, Windex and distilled water is just fine, or even just Windex itself is just fine. Um, on the outside, you can use an acetone if you want, but it may eat away at the chrome, so don't use it there. But with this, on a dry surface, you can just go like this, and you'll get most of the paint acrylic off. So that's your tip for today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe. So I kind of got cut off there at the end, and for the closing of this video. But those are some tips for cleaning an airbrush, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please rate and subscribe, and see me on Patreon. And we'll be having other videos coming your way, certain models, and looking forward to doing those.